Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to use the line segment tool. It's found over here. You can just create anything from point A to point B. Just click and drag. Another thing you can do is you can hold shift when you create a line, and it will allow you to move it around in 45-degree angles. You can also hold Alt and then drag to drag it from the center, like this. Now another thing you can do is you can just click over here anywhere on the artboard and you can choose the length or the angle. Let's just change the angle over here to 70 degrees. There we go. It created that for us. Now something else you can do is you can just use the line segment tool and you can just hold the edge and you can move it around. You can rotate. You can drag to make the line longer or shorter. And you can also go to window on top here and go to stroke, and now we can choose other settings as well. You can make it have rounded corners if you want to, or let's just change the size over here. Let's make this a dotted line by clicking on here, and let's change the size. Let's make it smaller. There we go. Let's make this 30 points now. Now it's a lot bigger. And that's basically how you use the line segment tool now.